In this video, I will show you how to fix the repetition issue when you make a pattern. Let's say, for example, you want to make a pattern from this image. So you go to Edit and define pattern, choose the name, and click OK. And now when you make a new document, especially large documents, something like 2000 pixels, and then you go right there and choose pattern, you will see this repetition. So to fix this problem, we are going to use filter called offset. Just go to filter, other, and choose offset. And now click and drag until you see the end of the image in the four sides, like so. Then click OK. Now we are going to use the spot healing brush tool to fix these lines, like so. And try to remove any big marks that might causes repetition. Now let's try, go to edit, define pattern, same thing, let's name it 2, and again go to pattern, and you will see here the difference. It's not fixed 100%, but of course it's better than this one.